I don't know why we do the things we do. I know why I do what I do. Look, yeah. Focus on the future, thinking about the past. Tequila made a cough, I poured another glass. Crying over X, wear another mask. You praying to your God, get these demons off my back. Saved by the church bells, calling me Zach. Peeking at you, throwing bolts like Ash. I be trying hard to make all these girls laugh, but they suck at relationships, I can't be their dad. Take them all shopping, so much shit, they need more bags. More stars and bars, they should call my flow the flag. I'm a black elite, so you know it's to the back. At the park giving roses, none of these hoes used to that. Jogging, racing wind, no time to give grins. They lost in the motion, floating on sins. Chillin in the grass, I'm listening to drums. Feeding ducks, I smile cause you acting like dumb. I be acting like plum, smoking on the color. That's why I play spades, I never been a lover. Key charm is sweet, but I never been a sucker. Shit, I fight for my rights and I lose when I fuck her. Rush for that hour, now I'm back to playing Tucker. Lost in the moment, waiting for alarms. Suicide doors and they yelling I'm the bomb. Standing on my lawn, plotting, playing chess. Shit, these niggas on my pawns. Ants in the toilet, watching them swim. Flames climbing trees and they waiting on the wind. The world at our feet and we busy in the tent. No sheets when we done, but the dirt got a dent. Where the homie Kent, cause his dirt got a stench. Why they talk about my game, jerks on a bench. Only cool around you, you cool with Spence. Hip to your game, I know you got the gas, but no, I got the flame. We signed the homie Scope, so he helping with my aim. Clark Kent whip, yeah, he call me Lois Lane. Ray-Ban frames, keep these haters sights. Chasing this